Everyone, so this is just a small bonus video I promised this awesome community of game creators a while back. I'll basically be showing some of the amazing games made by students in this course, as a reward for their hard work and also to inspire new students to get cracking and make their very own game. So the first game that was completed using this course is called Wasteland by developer Delthor. It was such a joy for me and my brother to play this game. The dev here did exceptionally well, the particle effects are really neat, character design's very interesting, and there's also a pack of cool sound effects. So there, that's the first example of a great game made with this course. Next we have Thor's Lands by Cornell. Like the previous game, the dev did an excellent job here. Destroying enemies feels very satisfying and the controls are fast, responsive and fun to use. And those enemies are incredibly cute. I love how the eye follows the player around, that's an awesome touch. Then we have The Forest by Matrix 12X. This is a crazy action-packed take on the course, and it was loads of fun to play. The characters are fantastic, the controls top-notch. Damn, I felt like I was playing Doom with that crazy music in the background. So yeah, great job, man. Here's Skull Cave by Zakuns. Sadly, I wasn't sure how to full screen on this game, so I ended up playing it in a tiny screen like this. But that didn't stop me from enjoying myself a lot. This 12-year-old developer, believe it or not, made some awesome looking characters, cool sound effects, and all in all, a very solid experience. Oh boy, here's Bullets and Demons by developer Rowdy Lemon. This, like all games we've seen so far, is just so impressive. The character designs are wonderful and the particle/death effects are mind-blowingly cool. Destroying enemies in this game is very satisfying, with just a right amount of screen shake. And the final boss character is epic. Congratulations man, me and Liam had a blast playing your game. This is Game On by Pepper's Gamer. Well, I guess you know what I'm going to say by now. This is awesome. The art style here is really unique and polished, and the story behind the game of this gamer destroying what looks to me like zombie nerds is very nice. What I love most in all the games I've shared with you so far is how the developers have really put their own twist and personality into the game. They've not just copied and pasted what me and Liam have made, they built their own entire world, and that's great. Exposed by Nico Bays is another really cool entry full of personality and fun. Again, the art is great, sound effects top notch, and destroying enemies just feels really nice. I hope that by now, after watching all these epic game entries made by students like yourself, you're starting to feel inspired and motivated to make great things too. I mean, if these awesome people did it, then you sure can as well. And lastly, we have Kuyo's Backyard Adventure by Nerd Overdose. This one is very cute, full of lovely characters and nice effects. Like these flowers popping out from the ground, for example, or the player's sad face when he loses. It's just a very nice little game, they all are, and me and my brother are so proud to have helped these developers bring these creations to life. So there we go, that's your dose of inspiration. Of course, we'll be teaching you how to make and animate game characters as well, create particle effects, epic boss fights, and lots more. So very soon you might have your own awesome game to be proud of and share with the rest of the community. Okay, with that said, best of luck and enjoy the course.